Imagine gazing at breathtaking, high-resolution images of the Martian surface, where endless red plains stretch out beneath a salmon-pink sky. The landscape is dotted with jagged rocks, ancient craters, and rolling hills that have been shaped by billions of years of cosmic history. As you scan these photos, you might feel as if you're standing right there on Mars, peering across a world that is both alien and strangely familiar. Suddenly, your eyes catch something unusual. A long, winding trail etched into the dusty surface. It snakes across the landscape, curving and twisting, almost as if it's telling a story written in the soil of another planet. The trail stands out against the otherwise untouched terrain, making you wonder, what could have created such a path so far from Earth? On Mars, the environment is harsh and unpredictable. Powerful winds whip across the plains, sometimes creating swirling dust devils that dance across the ground, leaving behind temporary marks. Occasionally, small landslides tumble down crater walls, carving fresh lines into the soil. But this trail looks different, more deliberate, more purposeful. It's as if something or someone has traveled across the Martian surface, leaving a visible record of its journey. Could it be the work of a dust devil, spinning wildly and tracing a path through the dust? Or maybe a landslide, triggered by shifting rocks and gravity? Or just maybe, could it be something even more exciting? Evidence of a visitor from Earth exploring the red planet in search of answers? This was the very question that scientists at NASA set out to answer. In their labs and mission control rooms, teams of experts pored over the latest images sent back from Mars. They compared the mysterious trail to other features on the planet, using their knowledge of Martian geology and weather to rule out natural causes. The excitement in the air was palpable. Solving this mystery could reveal something new about Mars, or about the technology we use to explore it. After careful analysis, the answer became clear. The trail wasn't made by wind or by a landslide. It was created by none other than Curiosity, NASA's intrepid rover, which has been exploring the Martian surface since 2012. As Curiosity drives across the planet, its wheels press into the soft soil, leaving behind a distinctive track that can be seen from high above. Each mark is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to reach out and explore the unknown. The remarkable thing is how this trail was discovered. It wasn't just spotted by Curiosity's own cameras, but by another spacecraft orbiting high above Mars, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, or MRO. This powerful satellite uses its advanced cameras to capture detailed images of the Martian surface, allowing scientists to track the movements of rovers and study changes in the landscape over time. In this special photo, you can actually see Curiosity in the middle of its journey, driving across the red soil and leaving its unmistakable mark on the Martian landscape. It's a powerful reminder that even on a distant world, the spirit of exploration continues, and every trail tells a story of discovery, curiosity, and the endless quest to learn more about our universe. On February 28, 2025, a truly historic moment in space exploration was captured. A photograph of NASA's Curiosity rover diligently making its way across the rugged Martian landscape. This image isn't just another snapshot from the red planet, it's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless curiosity about the universe. The photo was taken during one of Curiosity's routine traverses, as it continued its mission to uncover the secrets of Mars, searching for signs of ancient life and clues about the planet's mysterious past. The timing of this photograph is significant, as it marks over a decade since Curiosity first landed on Mars, and yet the rover continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in planetary exploration. In the image, Curiosity appears as a tiny, dark speck at the very end of a long, winding trail etched into the rusty Martian soil. From a distance, the rover might seem insignificant against the vast, barren expanse of Mars, but that small dot represents years of planning, engineering, and the collective dreams of scientists and engineers back on Earth. The trail behind Curiosity is more than just a mark in the dust. It's a record of the rover's journey, each twist and turn telling a story of scientific discovery and perseverance in one of the harshest environments known to humanity. The path carved by Curiosity stretches for an impressive 1,050 feet, or about 320 meters across the Martian surface. To put that into perspective, that's roughly the length of 3 American football fields laid end to end. Every meter of that trail represents careful navigation over rocks, sand dunes, and craters, as the rover's team on Earth guides it remotely, overcoming challenges that would stop most machines in their tracks. The visible trail is a reminder of the rover's resilience and the precision required to operate such a complex robot millions of miles from home. What makes this photograph truly extraordinary is that it's the first time a Mars rover has been captured from space while it was actually driving. Previous images have shown stationary rovers or their landing sites, but never before have we witnessed a rover in motion, caught in the act of exploring. This achievement required perfect timing and coordination between the teams operating the rover and those controlling the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, which circles high above the planet. It's a rare glimpse of robotic exploration in action, frozen in a single, breathtaking moment. This remarkable accomplishment highlights the incredible technology that makes interplanetary exploration possible. The Curiosity rover itself is a marvel of engineering, equipped with scientific instruments that allow it to analyze rocks, soil, and the atmosphere, all while surviving the extreme conditions of Mars. The ability to photograph the rover from orbit while it's moving demonstrates the precision and sophistication of both the rover and the spacecraft observing it. It's a powerful reminder of how far we've come in our quest to explore other worlds and how much more there is still to discover. The photograph was made possible by the High-Resolution Imaging Science Experiment, or HiRISE, camera aboard NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. HiRISE is one of the most advanced cameras ever sent to another planet, capable of capturing incredibly detailed images from over 200 kilometers above the Martian surface. The camera's powerful optics and sensitive sensors allow scientists to monitor changes on Mars, study its geology, and even track the movements of robotic explorers like Curiosity. The successful capture of this image required precise calculations and perfect timing, as the orbiter had to be in exactly the right place at the right moment to spot the rover in motion. Thanks to HiRISE, we can see objects on Mars as small as a desk from orbit, revealing details that were once unimaginable. This level of clarity allows scientists to study the Martian surface in unprecedented detail, identifying rocks, dust devils, and even the tracks left by our robotic explorers. The image of Curiosity driving across Mars is more than just a technical achievement, it's a symbol of our ongoing journey to understand the Red Planet, and a reminder that, even from millions of miles away, our curiosity continues to drive us forward. Curiosity was driving through a region of Mars called Gidi's Vallis. This area is particularly interesting to scientists because it is thought to have once been home to flowing water. Curiosity was on its way to a region thought to contain boxwork rock formations. These formations are intriguing because they may hold clues about ancient groundwater activity. By studying these rocks, scientists hope to learn more about the history of water on Mars and whether the planet could have ever supported life. The tracks left by Curiosity are surprisingly durable. On Earth, tire tracks in the dirt would be washed away by rain or blown away by wind. But Mars is a very different place. The Martian atmosphere is much thinner than Earth's, and there is no liquid water on the surface. This means that the tracks are likely to last for months or even years before they are erased by Martian winds. Curiosity is, honestly, a remarkable feat of engineering. When you look at it, you're seeing the result of years of planning, design, and problem-solving by some of the brightest minds on Earth. The rover itself is a marvel, built to withstand the harsh, unpredictable environment of Mars, where temperatures can swing from freezing cold to surprisingly warm in a single day, and where dust storms can last for weeks. Every bolt, wire, and panel was meticulously tested to ensure it could survive the journey through space and the rough landing on the Martian surface. Curiosity is about the size of a small car, measuring roughly 10 feet long, 9 feet wide, and 7 feet tall. It weighs nearly 2,000 pounds, making it one of the largest and most capable rovers ever sent to another planet. But what truly sets Curiosity apart is its impressive suite of scientific instruments. These tools allow it to analyze rocks and soil, search for signs of past water, and even sniff the air for chemicals that might hint at ancient life. Its robotic arm can drill into Martian rocks, scoop up samples, and deliver them to onboard laboratories for detailed analysis. The rover is designed to handle the rugged Martian landscape. It can drive over rocks, climb hills, and traverse sandy dunes, all thanks to its advanced suspension system and specially designed wheels. Despite its capabilities, Curiosity moves at a cautious pace, with a top speed of just 1/10 of a mile per hour. This slow speed is intentional. It allows the rover to carefully navigate obstacles and avoid hazards that could damage its delicate instruments or get it stuck in the soft Martian soil. But even at this slow speed, driving Curiosity on Mars is no easy task. The Martian surface is unpredictable with hidden rocks, steep slopes, and loose sand that can trap the rover's wheels. Every move must be carefully considered, because a single mistake could end the mission. The rover relies on a combination of onboard cameras and sensors to scout the terrain ahead, but it also depends on the expertise of the team back on Earth to make the safest choices. Engineers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, or JPL, carefully plan each day's route, taking into account the terrain, the rover's energy levels, and the scientific goals of the mission. Every morning the team analyzes the latest images and data sent back by Curiosity, mapping out the safest and most productive path forward. They must consider not only the physical obstacles, but also the position of the sun, which affects the rover's power supply, and the need to protect sensitive equipment from dust and extreme temperatures. It's a delicate balance between exploration and caution, and it requires constant communication between the rover and its team on Earth. Thanks to this careful planning and teamwork, Curiosity continues to make groundbreaking discoveries, helping us unlock the secrets of the Red Planet, one careful step at a time. The HiRISE camera that captured the image of Curiosity is, honestly, one of the most powerful cameras ever sent to another planet. It can take incredibly detailed pictures of the Martian surface, revealing features that would be invisible to the naked eye. The HiRISE camera takes pictures in black and white, but it also has a special mode where it can capture a narrow strip of color in the center of the image. As luck would have it, Curiosity was in this color strip when the photo was taken. Curiosity and MRO are just two of the many spacecraft that NASA has sent to Mars. These robotic explorers work together to help us understand this fascinating planet. Curiosity explores the surface of Mars, collecting samples and taking measurements. MRO orbits high above the planet, providing a global view and helping scientists to choose the most interesting places for Curiosity to investigate. Exploring Mars is important because it helps us to understand our place in the universe. Mars is the most Earth-like planet in our solar system, and by studying it, we can learn more about the history of our own planet and the potential for life beyond Earth. The discoveries made by Curiosity and MRO have already taught us a great deal about Mars. We now know that the planet was once much warmer and wetter than it is today, and that it may have had the conditions necessary to support life. The journey of exploring Mars is far from over. Curiosity is still going strong, and NASA has plans to send even more ambitious missions to the Red Planet in the years to come. These missions will continue to unravel the mysteries of Mars and bring us closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone in the universe?